Doritos right here, the avocado, and here's the husband. We got our new GoPro, which we lost the micro SD card. So thank you to the neighbor for coming through and letting us borrow it for the weekend so we didn't have to run to the store. Ooh, I'm excited to test this puppy out. It looks like really cool so far. Oh, can't wait to get some city shots. See you guys in a bit. Pulling it to our seats, we got our little snack packs all ready to go. And look there's a button for fresh pie. Dad joke. So get ready for the obligatory takeoff and landing moment. To our hotel. We took the train, we took the Ubs. Now we are upstairs and we are staying at the Sheraton Grand, Chicago. Let me show you. I gotta stop saying Chicago. And people were saying reviews of a weird lamp being in the middle of the window, and they were right. So let's go ahead and move that over. Show you the city view that we have.
Parties on the rooftop.
Yeah, there's freaking, how cool is that little like sun deck roof thingy? Oh, look at that pool. That's cool. That is called the Lowe's Tower. Down there, if you squint your eyes or if I zoom you in, that is, I think, the lake. Yeah, that's crazy. We are gonna get ready to go to the famous Lou's, you have to say, I guess, but it's Lou, what is the full name? Lou Malnatis for some deep dish pizza, which I've never had before because I don't particularly like the idea of deep dish, but I'm gonna pretend that it's not pizza. And we'll see how that goes. Okay? Okay. Heavy on the tomato, but pretty good. All right, we just got back. It was pretty good, you know. I'm a bit of a thin crust gal, so it was a little bit out of my comfort zone to try that deep dish, but I'm also a when in Rome type gal, and it was pretty delicious if I just didn't think of it as pizza. It was just something all on its own, so delicious. We were super full, so we decided to walk back to our hotel, which was a little less than a mile away. And you guys, the city is so beautiful. I'll pop up some B-roll footage I have right here of our walk back and some of the buildings and just architecture, and so pretty. Tomorrow we are going to a Cubs game on Wrigley Field, and we are super duper excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Good morning, you guys. By the way, this is my husband, Jeff.
Hello.
I don't think I've properly introduced him on my channel yet. It is day 2 in the morning, and it is a little bit rainy, a little bit thunderstormy, but we are excited. Well, we love the rain and everything, so that never stops us anyways. But we are gonna head over to a restaurant over by Wrigley Field, and then we're gonna go to Wrigley Field, and I'm super excited. And did some lightish makeup today. I used the chocolate gold palette from Too Faced, just in case you want to know. And I will see you guys over there. Day 2, husband on the camera for me, setting up my shot. He's actually, can't see this, but he's leaning a light over to help see me and not be in the dark. So, end of day 2, As you saw, we went to the Cubs game and it was freaking awesome. You guys, Wrigley Field is beautiful. That whole town, like that part of Chicago is so pretty. All the buildings, and it's just like, I am such a sucker for brick and ivy. Everything is so pretty. Highly recommend it, even if you're not super into baseball, definitely go there. And the Cubs pulled it through for us today. They got a win and it was an exciting game. We finished off the day with going over to Benny's Chop House in downtown. That was really good. And tomorrow I think we are going to do Navy Pier, weather permitting. So we will take you guys along with us. All right, that's it. Bye. Good freaking morning. It is day 3 and we are ready to go exploring. I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did. But what's new? I always try rhyming. Look what I discovered upon gazing out my window front. Look at that little clock down there. How cool. Is that a sundial? Anyone know? The sun is not out yet. Maybe I'll check later. So we're gonna head over to Navy Pier. Just FYI, leather jacket goes with everything. So that is my little OOTD and my makeup. I freaking had a bad makeup morning, but I pulled it through, I think. I kept like smudging stuff. So come along with us on a walk. Here's the clock in person. We are downstairs. Look at this. Woohoo! Ooh, look at the clock. Yeah, look at the skyscrapers. Yeah. All right, moving on. Selfies! Pier Theater? How cool. It's a little, oh, look at this like roof deck up top.
That's a speedboat, dude.
Huh?
Speedboat fast.
Oh. Okay. Dancing. Oh, that's the beer garden. Hopping down here. Oh! Trying to tell me this is not an ocean? It's tripping me out. It almost smells salty too. So weird.
Are you ready?
I grew up learning about the Great Lakes. I didn't know they were this great. It's amazing. I thought the Rockies would be a little more rocky than this, right? No, these lakes are quite great. Believe your teachers, 3rd graders. So we were gonna go on the Ferris wheel on the pier because it was, you know, looking kind of cool, get some city shots. I'm terrified of Ferris wheels, but I was willing to do it to see that city skyline. But now, this is the city skyline. Super cloudy. It's one of those bittersweet things. Like, I'm glad we're not gonna go on it, but I also wanted to go on it because we're in Rome and blah, blah, blah. But alas. Weather, what's the word? Weather wins again. That's all right. As big as I thought it was going to be. That's what she says.
Twice this week.
Let's come up here. There you go. Come on over. Come on over.
Like, you can sweat it.
Yeah. What do you think about the bean? It's good?
It's a big bean.
That there is a big bean. Yeah, buddy. Big bean indeed. And the building landscape is just beautiful. B-E-A, beautiful. Shout out to the Truman Show who taught me how to spell beautiful, and I still think it's twisted. Where to now? Governor?
I don't know, somewhere.
Let's find something. We're gonna find something interesting. We're at Millennium Park, and it's a little bit of everything. There's a lot of stuff here in this immediate area. So right next, the bean is in Millennium Park, and then you got these spitting fountains. I don't remember what they're really called, but that's pretty much what they do. Every 3 to 5 minutes, they spit water, and all the kids are playing. Super cute. And Jazz Fest is going on here, so it's very hopping. Lots to do. Very cool. John Hancock building. We're gonna go all the way up there, past where the fog is. We got out of the Uber and then we saw this gorgeous church. Look at this cathedral. Look at that ivy. Oh. All right, let's go. Oh, let's do it. Okay, I'll take some Cheesecake Factory. Look at that. Right? There's no Cheesecake Factories anywhere else. But I would eat the cheesecake in that bronze copper beautifulness. Again, that happened at the Ferrisville as well. Lots of private events today, so can't get to the top, but you know what? We're not that bummed because it's pretty foggy here anyway, so we would miss some. We're considering going up to the 96th floor.
Let's get a soda, yeah.
You want to? I mean, 96th floor is pretty high.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, so maybe we'll do that. You just have to have a 2-drink minimum. So we'll see. We'll see what all the fuss is about. I just almost tripped. Anyways. It's like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We're shooting up. Pretty cool. I don't know if I've ever been this high up in a building. Mountain, yes. Building, maybe not. Someone in the elevator said that the bathroom actually has the best view in here. Let's go check it out. Best bathroom view in the city. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely the ladies' room at the John Hancock. Yeah.
Zero in the boys' room.
Ah, they get the
window.
shaft. No view in the men's room. But you know what? Ladies have to wait a long time in the line. And there's never a line wait for the guys. So, all right, there we go. This is kind of like a Chicago castle, but it's a cathedral. Oh man. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh wow. We don't got that in California, and if we do, well, we might have it in San Francisco, but I don't know where to find it.
That weird looking pigeon.
That weird looking pigeon. Yeah, that is a pretty pigeon. This is so pretty. You don't love this?
It's nice.
It's like historic. Could be brand new for all I know, but.
No, it's gotta be.
Oh man, that is so pretty. 4 chimes. Pretty cool. It's locked though. Looks like they are doing some renovations, but it's locked. All right, husband's waiting. Time to go. Cool. And you can also do horse and carriage, and there's also a crazy guy standing on a car. Versatility, that's what I call it. Oh, we can smell it. I wish times like these we had smell-o-vision. We are following the smell, and here is the smell we are smelling, the smelly smell that we're smelling. It's Garret's. We tried going at the Navy Pier, but the long friggin' line and limited selection, but this also looks like a long line.
Yeah, everyone we've gone
Wow.
There's other ones that don't.
There you go. Try it.
Better be good.
Kettle corn. Tasty treat. Got the stuff. Pop it open, baby.
Ready.
All right. We got some Tims to take home, and we got a bag to enjoy now.
Meow.
Right now.
Bag inside the bag.
Bag inside a bag inside a bag.
Close. Very buttery.
Oh, try it out. Take the taste. See if it was worth the about 25 minute wait.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Probably a little scoop of that noise. It's attached to me. Oh, that's
Good.
different. Wow. Okay. All right. The caramel corn and the cheesy mix. Look at that grease fest right in there. Cheesy mix is actually quite good, but very oily. It's definitely a different. It's not what you think of as a typical cheese popcorn. The caramel corn is not bad either. My husband likes it, obviously. Truth be told, oh, okay, that dog's walking himself. It's adorable. Had to pause for that. Anyway, truth be told, I hate caramel. Hate it. But caramel corn usually isn't that bad, and this one's pretty good. Not too sweet and not too sticky. So thoroughly enjoying that. All right, we are ready to head off to dinner. See how versatile these leather jackets. By the way, it is vegan leather jacket. But black jackets are just so versatile. Now I'm wearing it with this. So if you don't have yourself one, you better get it.
I find that weird. It seems like the league is afraid of that. That it seems like the NFL is legitimately
That's so
scared
cool.
that the ratings dip. Has some-
Day 3 and the fog rolled in and it's so pretty. Can't even see it, but you can see the lights glowing. And we went to Gibson's tonight. Excellent, really good. And tomorrow we unfortunately have to bid adieu to the wonderful Chicago. Chicago has been great. Beautiful, beautiful city, beautiful architecture. All right, good night. Last morning, and I actually woke up in time to enjoy the continental breakfast that they offer. Nice and rainy. Really pretty up here on the 33rd club level floor of the Sheraton. Beautiful. All right, gotta start packing up. Gotta leave the hotel in about an hour. So while I pack, I'm gonna do a quick little face mask. This one's Rodial Pink Diamond Lifting Space Mask. And we're gonna wrap this bee up right here. All right. Pretty much wrapped up, ready to head out. Let's take one more look at that view. Oh, so beautiful. Last days are always the hardest. Not last day, this is the day. This is, well, yeah, technically last day. We don't have a flight until later this evening, so we're gonna hit up a couple local breweries because we like that. And we'll show you a couple shots from there, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching and hanging out with us as we journey through this beautiful city together. Architecture here is so pretty, I can't get over it. All right, bye-bye.
Bye for now. Cheers.
Cheers.
Down the hatch.
Ooh. Tasty, tasty. Tasty, tasty. Okay, my love bugs, thank you so much for watching our very first travel vlog. Don't worry, many more to come and we will make improvements. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.